guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Today we're talking about this little guy. I mean, just look at it, how small it is. This is the smallest Bluetooth speaker that I have ever reviewed, but trust me, don't go by the size of it because this little guy is very powerful. That's what she said. I mean, it was right there. I had to make that joke. But anyway, this speaker is by a brand called as Divoom and it's called the Beetles speaker. It's a really good one and it's a really unique one as well. And that's why we're talking about it today. Now, right off the bat, the brand has tried to replicate a vintage look with this speaker and they've done a very good job at it. This speaker looks like an old FM radio and they've done a very good job with the design. And along with the design, this speaker is very functional as well. Like the buttons and dials on this speaker are actually working. They have some functionality, which is excellent. For example, the big dial up front can be used to change between FM stations. Yes, it comes with a built-in FM radio and you can literally change the channel by rotating the dial, which is extremely cool and very satisfying. Now this crown, that is also functional. You can use it to change volume. One more cool thing over here are these two buttons. You can use them to go to the next track or to the previous track. Very smart and functional. Now what about the size? As I said, this speaker is very small. Now here's an iPhone 13 for reference and you can see for yourself how small it is. It's a small boy. So in terms of design, this speaker is extremely unique and vintage. But what about the build quality? Well, in terms of build quality, it is a solid speaker. It does not feel cheap at all. It has some weight to it. In fact, I think it is 200 grams. I read that on the website, so it's 200 grams and it has some weight to it. Does not feel cheap at all. The buttons are very clicky. The dial is very satisfying, the crown is very satisfying, and overall it's a very well built speaker. Does not feel cheap at all. In fact, it feels like a premium speaker because it is a premium speaker. Now looking past the design, this is a Bluetooth speaker at its core. So how does it sound? Well, the sound quality is really good. It gets plenty loud. In fact, the volume level surprised me for the size of the speaker. I was not expecting the speaker to get loud, but it gets plenty loud and it does not distort at high volume. That's the main thing. It does not distort and the sound is very clear. If we talk in nerdy terms, the mids and highs are good and clear and there's a good amount of low end as well. You do get that bass, but it's not that powerful. Like there is bass, but it is not powerful. I hope you get my point. But yeah, for the size of the speaker, the sound quality definitely surprised me. Like quite literally, it surprised me. Now, apart from Bluetooth, you can also listen to the radio. It comes with a built-in FM radio. If you want to use that feature, then you can definitely do so. And if you live in Stone Age and download your MP3 songs, then you can listen to them as well because of the micro SD card slot. You can insert a micro SD card over here and listen to your songs offline if you live in Stone Age and don't have a streaming service. What about battery life and charging? The brand claims that you will get 12 hours of listening time, and in my testing period I got somewhere around 8 to 9 hours, which is really good for the size of the speaker. I've been saying this a lot in this video. It's really good for the size of the speaker. But anyway, the battery life is good, and if you run out of battery, you have a USB Type-C port, which will take about 1.5 hours to charge this speaker completely. So it's not fast charging, it's slow charging. You also get this very interesting case with this speaker. This case looks absolutely stunning. It has this egg-shaped design and I really like it. Like this case alone is a conversation starter and an eye catcher as well. Really good one. Now I know all of you guys are going to ask about the price. So the price is somewhere around 5,000 to 5,500 rupees. It's not officially available over here in India. There are some sellers which sell this speaker. So I will make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. You can go ahead and check it out. So somewhere between 5,000 to 5,500. It is not cheap by any means. It is a unique speaker. It is a premium speaker, but it's a very good gift for someone. So if you want to gift it to someone, then you can definitely do so and they will be pleasantly surprised with it, especially because of how it looks and also how it sounds. Now anyway, that's been it. This was my very quick video about Divoom Beetles. A very good name and a very good speaker. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.